Hello everyone, welcome back. Another video, another day. So it is, I think, the 6th video in a row, so I'm in for a good streak. So the product of the day, you can find it of course in today's title, but it will be leather cleaner from Chemical Guys. So this car behind me has fabric in the middle of the seat and leather on the sides, but it isn't cleaned in about 7 years, and also the armrest in the middle. So what I'm going to do is apply some leather cleaner, agitate it with a brush, and then I'm going to wipe it off with a microfiber towel. And yeah, I will show you guys how easy this product is and how to use it. It should be odor free, and then it is just spray on, agitate it and wipe off. Should work pretty good. I will put you guys over here. We're gonna spray this side first. There is a lot of entrance on this piece, so it should be pretty filthy, so I'm just gonna spray some product on there, maybe a bit too much, but okay. And then I'm just gonna agitate it. I have some tape of course to show you the before and after. That should be enough. And then I just take the microfiber towel and wipe it clean, of course. We're going to get the car out in the sun in a minute. This piece, so I'm just gonna spray it again, agitate it with the brush. You can see the dirt coming out a bit. I don't know if you can see it on camera. And then we just take our microfiber towel and wipe the excess off. You can see it is a bit black on the microfiber towel. Can you see it on camera? Don't really know. But it is definitely, yes, you can see it, but there is definitely some dirt that came out. Okay guys, so now the car is outside. You can see a difference. Here it is clean and here it isn't. Here it feels still pretty greasy, of course, and here it feels nice and clean. This is the best example that I can show you guys from a clean side, but you can see it did its job very good. Dirt came out very easily, and it's a very nice and easy product to use. So this is before and this is after. Okay guys, so this was my small video about leather cleaner from Gion. Why it is a small video? Because there are already a lot of videos around of the leather cleaner. It did what it says. It leaves a clean finish behind. It is odor free and it doesn't leave any weird chemicals or smells or residue behind. So a big thumbs up for that. I only have it in stock for a moment because it is going to my grandma to clean her leather seats with it because she loves it. It is a pH balanced superior product, so I can't recommend this product to you guys. But that was the video with this product. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Ciao.